amazing Apple Valley Estates home. This open floor plan is perfect for entertaining and spacious for everyone. The great room with natural light features a living room, dining room, kitchen, and family room with 2 fireplaces. The kitchen has a lot of counter space with a breakfast bar and island. The home features 3 beds, 2 baths, and a laundry room. The large master bedroom has access to the deck, and the master bathroom has a walk-in shower and a spacious walk-in closet. Relax on the large deck and enjoy the sunset. The 3-car garage is spacious with room for all of your toys.